Have you ever wondered how we capture this tiniest mechanical part with pinpoint accuracy? Come on, let me show you the power of our Trimit Desktop 3D scanner. This is how we securely position the product on the clamp and apply a spray to minimize the reflectivity. This high precision Trimit 3D scanner rotates the part 360 in XYZ axis, ensuring every intricate detail is captured, edges, holes, and even micro textures. With ultra fine resolution, our scan data is ready and it's perfect for reverse engineering, quality control, and prototyping. Now 3D scanning is done. Now let's compare the scan data with the original part, proving that our 3D scanner achieves 1:1 accurate result. You get an incredible 10 micron accuracy on any component up to 100 mm. Scan anything, plastic part, metal part, or a wax piece. So what are you waiting for? Book your 3D scanner now.